Hello students, as you know in earlier classes we have already discussed about different methods of calculation of national income. We have also discussed the different numericals of national income. In today's class we will discuss a different method, a different practical problem actually of the same method but in a different way, in which we have to do reverse calculation. Recently asked in CBSE board examination, so it becomes important for you also. So let's see how reverse calculation is done, or how the same method, the same concept is asked differently in examination. Okay, let's see what is the question. Question available to us is calculate the value of rent. We have to calculate the value of rent. Rent we have to calculate. We don't have to calculate national income, GDP, etc. Rent we have to calculate. Let's see how it is done. Information available to you is GDP at MP 18,000, mixed income 7,000, subsidies 250, interest is available to us at 800, profit is 975, CO is compensation of employees 6,000, depreciation 1,000, indirect taxes 2,000. This whole information is available to us. This part is not available to us. I have written this for your benefit or hint. This part is also not available to us in question. This also I have written for your hint. Okay, let's see. As you can see, the following information is of income method. And what is the formula of income method? Income method's formula is NDP at FC is equals to COE plus operating surplus plus mixed income. NDP at FC is equals to COE plus operating surplus plus mixed income. In this we have information of COE. It is given directly in point number 6. We have information of mixed income. It is directly given in point number 2. But we don't have the complete information of operating surplus. Operating surplus is rent plus interest plus profit. Rent plus interest plus profit. We have interest, we have profit, but we don't have the value of rent. That's what we have to calculate. We don't have the value of rent. We have to calculate the value of rent. Okay. So let's see how the value of rent can be calculated. Let's see. First of all, we have to calculate the value of NDP at FC. So why NDP at FC? Because by using NDP at FC, we will calculate the value of operating surplus. And by using the value of operating surplus, we will calculate the value of rent. Let's see how it is done. First, let's calculate the value of NDP at FC. How NDP at FC can be calculated? GDP at MP is available to us. Deduct depreciation from it. When we deduct depreciation from GDP at MP, G will get converted. Only G gross will converted into net. It will be NDP at MP. As you see, I have only converted G into N. Okay, let's see. 18,000 minus 1,000, that is our NDP at MP. That is 17,000 is our NDP at MP. Okay, we are getting closer. Now we have to calculate FC. NDP we have calculated. Just we have to get FC instead of MP. MP नहीं चाहिए हमें, FC चाहिए. So let's see how FC can be calculated. Okay. As you can remember the chart which we have discussed in some class earlier. To convert MP into FC, we need NIT, net indirect taxes. Okay? And when net indirect taxes are deducted, deducted, when net indirect taxes are deducted from NDP at NP, it becomes NDP at FC. It becomes NDP at FC. Okay. So we don't have net indirect taxes in the question. Obviously, we don't have net indirect taxes in the question, but information to calculate net indirect taxes is available to us. How net indirect taxes are calculated, how NIT is calculated, when indirect taxes and subsidies, okay, when their difference is calculated, that would be NIT. When subsidies are deducted from indirect taxes, that would be NIT. Subsidies दे रखी है 250, indirect taxes is also available to us as 2000. So how NIT can be calculated? 2000 minus 250, that would be our NIT. NDP and MP we have calculated above. NIT we can calculate by using this formula: indirect taxes minus subsidies, indirect taxes minus subsidies, that would be 1750. So here we will arrive at NDP at FC, which means 15,250 would be our NDP at FC. What we needed, we have reached there. NDP at FC we have calculated. Now I am erasing this part so that we can proceed further. 15,250 is our NDP at FC. 15,250 is our NDP at FC. COE is directly available to us. COE is 6,000. Operating surplus is not available to us, but fixed income is also available to us, which is 7,000. As you can see from this information, we can easily calculate operating surplus. We can easily calculate operating surplus. 15,250 minus 13,000 is equals to operating surplus. That would be 2,250 is equals to operating surplus. Now many of you might be thinking, sir, why we have calculated operating surplus? Why we have calculated operating surplus? What is the use? If you remember, rent plus interest plus profit would be operating surplus. To fill this formula, we needed the value of operating surplus. Now in this formula, we have operating surplus, we have profit available to us, we have interest available to us. The only thing which we don't have is rent, but the rest of the information is available to us. So with the help of rest of the information, we can easily calculate rent. So this becomes a part of your homework. You have to calculate rent using this formula. This was the latest question of CBSE 2019. I hope आपको समझ में आया हो. ठीक है. This would be the end of our class. We will continue the discussion in next class. Thank you.